Let go of the coffee. It is the coffee. So many of you are overdoing it with the coffee, and so many of you are finding it really hard to let it go. As I have more conversations, more one-on-ones with so many of you, I am seeing how much coffee you all are consuming, especially when things are not well. Your health is deteriorating, your menstrual cycle is irregular, you're developing things in your womb that shouldn't be there. What I'm finding that the common link is coffee. We're not eating, so we're not giving our body the nutrients it needs to boost up the immune system, so then when we do get sick, our body can fight off whatever's happening. So we're not eating, right? We're not eating anything. We're not eating, and then when we do eat, is bad food. Bad food that's not full of nutrients. And then what we're consuming and drinking every day is coffee. So can you imagine? That's all you give your body? Of course you're not gonna feel good. Of course your anxiety is gonna be up. You're gonna be depressed. You're not thinking straight or clearly. You have self-doubt because you're not giving your body what it needs. So it's so bad that when I make recommendations and I tell the ladies, when you start healing and restoring balance, you really have to let go of the coffee. Don't have coffee while you're doing this, and then you can introduce it slowly to your body, but not in the same situation or not consuming it in the same way that you are now. They are finding it really hard. They're saying, I don't know if I can do this, Nancy. I really need my coffee in the morning, or I really need my coffee. Oh, wow. Wow. And then I tell them you can substitute it. Do green tea. In some cases, some of you cannot have caffeine at all. But some you can have caffeine, but not the coffee. So you can have matcha and you can have green tea. And that's a great substitute. Not only is it going to help you restore balance and also help you heal your body, but it's a healthier way to have caffeine. And even in some cases, they're like, no, I need to have my coffee. I don't drink coffee. I love coffee, especially in my 20s, and I let it go 20 years ago. And so I don't miss it, and I don't love it to that extent anymore. Yeah, ladies, really put yourself first, put your health first, put your family first, and let go of the coffee. The coffee is only hurting you more. The coffee is not helping you at all. And once you heal and restore balance, you can then have your 1 cup of coffee as a splurge, as something special. But it shouldn't be your diet. It shouldn't be the one thing that you cannot let go of or cannot start your day without. Replace it with something much healthier than coffee. Please. Love you guys. And if you are interested in talking to me and helping you restore balance, helping you help guide you through our remedies and what can help you restore balance, I am more than happy to help you. Let's have that conversation. That's why we have this offer now, because you all really need it. I was spending a lot of time in the DMs. And so many of you have so many questions, and it's just hard to have that conversation through DM. And so one-on-ones are so important just to get you started, get you on the right track, and to help guide you so then you are doing the things that you're supposed to be doing to heal and restore balance. So I'm happy to guide you. I'm happy to walk you through this process. You can send me a message. You can check out the link in bio, and that's where you can book the consultation. So I will talk to you all very soon. Bye.